Everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm reviewing a staking platform. Yes, a staking platform that have been getting some attention lately, and this platform is called KilnStaking. If you are someone who holds USDT and you want to put it to work, this platform might really interest you. In this video, I will walk you through how it works, how to get started, and what make it stand out from other staking platform out there. So before I get into the video, let me let you know this is for educational and promotional purpose only, not financial advice. Here, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing into any platform. So what is clean staking? What does this platform do exactly? Clean staking is a platform where you can stake your USDT and earn daily reward from it. Yes, it's designed for people who want to grow their crypto passively without needing to trade or do anything complicated. So what are the process to start? Yes, how can you use this KilnStaking platform? The process is really simple. Just for you to just create an account. Yes, create an account. The link to create an account is in my description. Go to my description and use the link in my description. Deposit your USDT. Then once you deposit your USDT, then you choose a staking level that you want. Yes, you choose how much you want to stake, and then you start earning daily returns straight to your wallet. Yes, you start earning daily returns to your wallet, and how much you earn depends on how much you put there and how many days you wish to stake on. Yes, so how it works: once you sign up, you can get a clean, easy to use dashboard where you can track your balance, any referrals and more. Yes, you get your dashboard like that, and you can deposit your USDT through the Tron network, which is TRC20 or other network. And from there, you can pick a staking package that fits your budget. The platform handles the rest. Yes, the platform will do other job for you, and rewards are added to your account automatically every 24 hours. And also, this platform also offer a referral program where you invite others, you can earn extra bonus based on their activity too. So once if you other invite people and those people come and do work on that website, they also get money too. And you can start with as little as 10 USDT on this platform. So you don't need to have money, you can stay as little as 10 USD. And one of the features that make KilnStaking popular is its daily earning system. Yes, the platform offers a percentage-based reward on your stake amount. Yes, so as you can see on the screen, you earn a percentage from the amount you stake on this platform. While earning may vary depending on your plan and activities, users love the consistency and flexibility of the system. There's one thing that user love about this platform. The referral feature is also well built. You get your own unique link, and if you choose to build a team, you can earn additional commission from your downline. Yes, that means if you start building a team, you start inviting people, you will start getting additional income from this platform, which means that you can grow your income just by sharing it with other people who are interested in also staking their USDT on the platform. Why is this platform really standing out? Is why does this platform stand out? Here is what actually check by this platform that I believe that is making it to stand out. Number one is very low entry barrier. Yes, you can start with just 10 USDT on this platform. Yes, you can start with just 10 USDT account and you start earning. And the dashboard is clean and mobile friendly. With your phone, you can actually access it, and fast and reliable USDT withdrawal. You can withdraw fast and reliable, automated daily earnings, no manual claiming needed. Another thing is artist support teams that respond quickly. Anytime you have issues, you can just get into there and do reply you and sort out your problem. Right now, I know that the question that will be going through your mind is this platform really worth it? Is this really reliable? Now let me answer that. If you are into passive income and already holding USD, this platform could be a solid option to explore. It can be an option for you to explore. Just remember, crypto platform work best when you take time to understand them and use only what you can afford to set aside. And also, I'd like you to let me know in the comment section what you think about click staking, and if you have tried it already, and if you have not yet tried it. And if you have tried it, I'd also like to know your experience with it in the comment section. Before you go, I just launched a brand new WhatsApp and Telegram channel where I'll be sharing daily updates on how to make passive income online, from staking platform to airdrop and even new legit tools for 2025. I've actually created a channel for that. So if you want to join that channel, yes, whether you are a complete beginner or already earning, this channel will be really helpful for you. If you want to join that channel, check the link in my description below. Here, the link is in my description below, and you can actually click it and join any of them. You can join both the WhatsApp and Telegram, anyone that you wish to join. You can actually join that and be getting my daily update from there. If you learned something from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I release video just like this, you won't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Stay consistent and stay earning. Thanks for watching.